Hello, Abusia. Welcome to Gasby GH. And net ye kasa about Adinkra pie, Barima Osei Mensah, and then the yere Anita Boakye. Omawari and sensem be abahu. Our re yet chim mo yanim. And ti adefefe course so na ubiania jigana for you biania je wo wiase afa na nyina. Na yempa ebane say ebekoswa and so because say just like any other warrior, just like anybody's a warrior, just like the average Joe a warrior is same sim trouble sim average Joe a warrior asem sima mantem for omoka the same way as in celebrities for so warriors as same sim so yeka yenka se bia ye ka no anije mu na mumu ye ka akire amansan no bia hu se be bia enjoy. Even though some ye celebrities, some ye public figures, no, asem to me bomb, asem to me bomb, my warrior, senia, asem to me by yensu di muna senia na, ya ye sister, if you was nigga, na all cano, and pa. Na senia asem to buy yen ya for the no so ye cano. The same thing asem to basic of one so dear one, ye beka. It is ye car, I am a money nyemu say ye can't because ye niaje. Nobody can ever delight in the misfortune of a friend. What have you said? Not just say basically, unyini papa. Enye sana yepe. Sansi in social media idea. Na it was a symbian so ba. Eni je semba yebeshe. Areho semba so yebeshe. Once again, we are not sharing in jubilation, but we are sharing, empathizing with those people who are involved, and hopefully. Maybe them seeing this no nia ebia wagye ayere so pampe no ebetimi ejaimu kakra asem ni na ne say ene GhanaCelebrity.com edi ababehwe animu say Anita asebo ni ku Barima Osei Mensah divorce papers I was so sign so wari jaye bia no wentwe doson aware a yekoye no court no ntimi ngiran kwanchan bebia engu no e wo se wo san de court na kogusa aware no nti no na court for no de kwa wa wu aware no wo de kwa na court amaya mabe serve nia ye jai no enkrata to accept ya na che se yenko court nyeko ka se ni na ewia na che se ye sign e wo sign se yampa wo agree se yen divorce so ejapade wie wo mbia na ya che nye wo se che ni ya che wa wonje wo de wonje enti yekoba ene se Anita ni nebusuafo de papers ne ko se Barima Osei Mensah okatechie on sign ya of said there be on sign asem ni na ne saying and no ne yebe pense mo wa han mo say mo amunim about 3 years ago 2021 ena oma warrior fefe basically oma warrior no put Ghana on spotlight on the world stage because of the beautiful and how royalty that marriage celebration was. Omo Ghana culture no ebe dead disunkuye pa ebe she 9 when you nyam. Omo take it 3 days at the yes how are no na me show videos ni nyinara e wa ha so pa hwa aya wa be hu sa video no. Anche na yeti controversy bebre during our reunion no say Miss Anita ewo mami ansa na one Ghana sikeni yura Dr. Osei despite rumors, so I'm not sure whether this is true or not, but rumors and yet because say it was social media platform so maybe bia so beyond our na say yet say ikunu eye Adinkra pie owner or Barima okatechie Osei Mensah and so the sebe ne homa de bebre. Once again these were rumors I know see ye and so nyame na meka e de dwa emo bibiara TV ampa de na etie me say they will forever remain one of my favorite couples in Ghana. And you better say and sense bebre we ya is Anita ni so ade we ya is fine ku see we is Barima ni cheat is Barima na confide and you will be ma ba ya branch be release the you audio bia na che say nkonkon sankun time wa wari mu sense me course nyinara when 20 course nyinara but ba bi go abonten e ma nyina ye tie bi e homre no na wo ka say Barima Osei Mensah se nani nje ewa ware no na ire no sebe nani nso ade on treat ni yie na ware no na ire no pushi sika shemu ede ye etu fa se ode she ne ho ani onyam ma onfa sebe ekunu emfa na nyehwe nti ma ekunu so etwabia no anya nani hyebre na chese nti na okọ side checks for her because no be kokro no ni nyina abrantie kro no eni obi bon komo mom ya oni akono nipa boni ni bi nso release sa tape no ne be da edwa e ma yenyina ye TV eno no mu hon mu na ye hu se Anita enyem na chese be ye say if e yampaso o ma 3 dia na chese this is the 4th child eye oni Barima Osei Mensah omo first child ampa any video ye ebaye emi energy ye ma omba be debunk that those rumors no sawari ni jaino ema omo asem kro obo kai no ene kraba be ye another slogan a lot of people eka asmano kan omo kai ne say atamfo enye nyame eyampa atamfo so enye nyame so ampa na me mu say even our we baby a chicha kwakudu no nyame na be ma ne saso na sidi osi show when you nyam no or the same when you nyam be ba obe mane saso aba this our way mu na mpempen so bia edu bia ye basa bia no oba be keka ni na asie ni mo organization abe mo san mo do no so a rekendo because abofra ni sa enti ampa ni na ye ni age ampa abofra yi ba ye ni photos kakra ni ye hu ni ye hwe yin mu say ni ji Facebook so me be mi no sa hin ye kokoti ya no sisia de sister Anita so wonti mi bio ema the busianfo asevo these papers de bia na yeti my grand ye ba ye my grand ye jai we era de Christ Ghana for so ni na bi na meka no ye ka de so ya na empire born say deep down the empire born say our really be ye because we don't gain anything when onyonko ehokema onyonko e flourish muma you gain, especially bloggers. If your celebrities are flourishing now, you gain because you get more stuff to report on or to post on. Until we don't delight in anybody's misfortune. Ekoba say yampa Anita say omode ensaniko. Once again to rumors, we never confirmed it. Omode ensaniko yamfanko yedeko yamfanko. Enra ya that's oria no pay ya. Celebrity GhanaCelebrity.com essay, and I read, say it's been alleged that the CEO of Adinkra, Barima Osei Mensah, has been refused to sign the divorce papers to finally set his estranged wife Anita Boakye free. According to a report by the so-called celebs, after Barima Osei Mensah cheated on Anita, he has been using numerous gifts to plead with her to come back home. It was also revealed that Anita is also cheating on him with her baby daddy. This is not the first time Barima Osei Mensah's married to Anita Boakye Osei Kwame, despite baby mama, has come under criticism. According to many sources similar to the one above, Barima has multiple baby mamas and continues to cheat on his wife. And to just say, Asemna Yahmeti, you accuse Barima of cheating, you accuse Oba of cheating. And if I yemfa, yempa born say, and my Barima inside krata na unyankopon akasa mbone ni mwase na onka asempapa bi mfento Anita komaso no man assurance no na omumie no ntimi nya akomapa odo mfentete abofra na omawo no yedamase yewano.